Have you ever wanted to receive a text from your friend and wonder what they were initially typing before they sent that text? Well, I have an idea for you. The text playback feature. Yes, I wanted to create an app where there is a text playback feature where the app itself will record the texting somehow. Maybe there's just key presses and then maybe put some time stalls in there because you don't want to see how long it took, because if it was a long time to take. But maybe it just like briefly, strips it all together into like a little like backspacey kind of thing of like what could have been the text, and then it delivers that to you, and you can like maybe click and hover on it, and it will play back what they were initially texting. So who knows? Maybe from a boyfriend or girlfriend you receive, "Hey, I think we should break up." Oh, backspace. Go out to dinner tonight. And then you get receive that text. It'd be super humorous. It'd be really fun, like thing. I feel like it'd be almost like a little funny gag of like messaging your friends and like purposely like going back on a text just to write something funny, but then like correct it to what you actually want it to be. I don't know. I just thought it was a cool idea. I don't think I'll ever get around to doing it. That's why I make these videos. So somebody else that's smarter than me can do it, or somebody else that's just more efficient than me can do it. I don't know. Let me know if that's a cool idea by your guys' standards and comment down below. Oh, and also, if you want to help support the channel and all my other channels and everything, I am now selling stuff like this on Etsy. Go check out my Etsy channel where I have Magic the Gathering deck boxes that are like artistic and with designs in them and all that. And I finally made a locking system where it kind of slips right on in here, and you can have your cool like stuff, take them and go. This will only work on the future stuff. If it's not listed, then you're watching this video very early, and thanks for watching and stuff like that. This is a very sturdy one. I need to fix this model. It's still prototype. These are prototypes right now. It's print on demand. Print on demand. I'll make sure I'll send you really good quality products. But yeah, like and subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.